I just want to give you a little example on how you could go from this. Hey guys, so I'm sitting in a parking lot. More specifically, I'm sitting in the parking lot of Walmart. I'm waiting for my car, and I figured while I'm waiting, I might as well tell you what we're doing today. We're going to be finally fixing up my car, okay? And by fixing up, I mean redecorating it. And I have a couple hours to complete it all. Right now, we're waiting on my car to get an oil change. If you're broke like me, Walmart will do it for $20. I went into Walmart. You can't really film in Walmart from what I've seen on other YouTube channels, so I just went in by myself and picked out a couple of things that I don't know if they're gonna work in the car, but I bought them. We got some flowers, and we got some cloth that I think will go well underneath the car. I mean, on top of the on the roof of the car. Okay. So yeah, today we're going to be pimping out my ride. Okay, it's been a long time coming, and I've wanted to do it for a while. So why not? I've been waiting on my car for about 30 minutes. Went to Walmart, grabbed a couple things, and now we're just waiting. Probably gonna watch some Netflix until I get the party started. We gotta go vacuum out the car, wash the car, because it gotta look good inside and out. And yeah, we're just gonna go do that, have a good time. This is something, you know, I talked about in my first video about wanting to deck out my car, and now I'm finally gonna do it. If you're wondering who my inspo is, it is Janelle, the girl in her Janelle, the girl in her van with her pet snake Alfredo. Ding. So that's my inspiration for this. You know, I want my car to be unique, cozy. I spend a lot of time in my car, so I want it to look nice, you know, because I plan on keeping this car for a long time, because I promise you I'm gonna be on this budget till I die. So let's get this thing started. Hello everyone. So we finally made it to where we're going to be washing my car at. It's a self-wash because, again, this is all on a budget. Yes, self-wash. I left Five Below. Okay, no, so I left Walmart after getting my my oil change. I left Walmart after getting my oil change, and then I headed over to Five Below, and I found some really cute things. You know, I think I got a concept on what we're doing that said "Be You." You know, I got some stuff, and yeah, I'll show you guys all that after the car wash and everything. Yeah, we're just gonna start the process. Okay, we gotta get all this crap out of here, and then we'll be ready to vacuum. Okay, I lied. Just found out. I went around the corner and looked to the freaking right, and it's a freaking car wash too. Like, yes, you could do it yourself, but it's also like just this thing here. Like, so you know what I'm about to do? I'm just gonna do this. There are people waiting for me. I don't care. I'll wait in line for $8 to wash my car. That's in the budget. That's definitely in the budget. I just looked at what it's gonna do. $8. Okay. What this $8 gonna do here? Okay. So far so good. We got the soap on the car. I just need to look decent. Okay. All right. Car wash done. Finally starting the interior cleanup. We got everything cleaned out. Now it's time to it's starting to get late, but I want you to see the outside of my car. So here it is. I really dropped the ball because I should have done it before and after, but just know it was dirty. It was dirty as heck up in here and on out of there. It was dirty on the outside and the inside, so it's really a big deal that right now it looks this clean. So there you go. Now let's start on the roof. The roof is on. Things are about to get real, okay? I'm about to cut like I ain't never cut both of them. Alright, so I finally have the roof up somewhat. To be honest, it looks a hot mess. But I have lights. Ta-da! That's what I've been working on for the last 2 hours! But, I'll get things. We're gonna start the decorum process. And I want you to be here for that, because this is finally the somewhat fun part. And then we'll go back and make little tweaks to the roof as I go. Hold on. Uno momento. Just trying to snatch this last piece up. Okay. I think we're we're done. I think I like it like this. I think we're done. I think I'm just gonna have to scrub this area, and then my you know, it's official. Then it's done. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm trying to figure out what should I do with this like extra fabric. Oh, I know. We'll just stuff it in the door and just be like pocket squares. Anyway, are you guys ready to see the full thing? I know you are. What a day. Am I right? So it's time for my nightly sign off. Today is it's weird. It's been a weird day. As I'm sure it has been for a lot of you. Kobe Bryant passed away today. Him and his daughter, along with several other people. And me and my best friend are sitting there talking about it, and then she reads a Facebook post, and one of her childhood best friends passed away. So it really shocked me. Like, today has really been like a shocking day. Like, yeah, I got, you know, something accomplished, so we got to be happy for that. But we literally lost a legend today. Somebody lost their father today. Somebody lost a mother today. A sister, a brother, a mother. It's just a lot to take in when you really think about it. So that's why I say, you know, take the time and like hug the people you love, like literally a little longer. I said that in my first video too. Hug the people you love longer, because you just never know. And it's sad, but it's true. You never know. So that's my preaching for today. I just want to say that I'm praying for that family. I'm praying for all of you. I'm praying for the world. And I'm just hoping everybody finds peace in this life. I hope that you find your peace. And I'm just so extremely sorry for what everybody's going through, because I know everybody's going through something. So just say I love you to the people you love. That's my little tidbit for the week. With that being said, you know what to do down below. I think I'm gonna end the video saying like, give somebody a hug today. Literally, I'm gonna start making it an ad. Give somebody a hug today, please, for me. Alright, guess I'll go edit the video now. I love you guys. Let's go. Okay.
Oh, it looks so good though. Yes.
Better really.
It's my new couch. You'd be so comfortable coming. Do this to my car. When's mine? I'm next.
There's no next. There's a conclusion. This is the end.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, I want mine. I want mine.
How much you paying me?
My cheese balls and my fruit punch.
Okay. It wasn't good.
All you have to do is fix my car up like this.
Okay. But anyway, so
By the way, I'm the best friend.
yeah.
That can't be cut.
Oh my god, did you see my candle?
You have a candle? That's a fire hazard.
So?
I'm just kidding.
No, you weren't. You want me to leave?
I don't even know when you're in my house until I go eat some cheese balls and they're all gone.
I do not think that was all me, okay? Pretty much.
Where's this thing plugged in at?
Where? What?
This.
The thing's up there.
It's up here?
Yeah, it's like the battery pack.
Oh, so when you doing mine? And the saga continues.
Okay, good night anyway.
At the end of the video, I'm gonna be really upset. Or the beginning of every one of your videos, and the saga continues.
Okay, goodbye.